Welcome to Python Programming for Beginners. This is Module 16, Regular Expression, Lecture 1. The topics what we are going to discuss in this module is Introduction to Regular Expression, Meta Characters, Special Sequences, Sets in Regular Expressions, Applications of Regular Expressions, few methods in regular expressions which are find all, search, split, and sub. Regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Regular expression can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern. In computing a regular expression, also referred as regex or regexp, provides a concise and flexible means for matching of strings of text such as particular characters, words, or patterns of characters. Regular expressions are widely used in various programming languages, including Python, for tasks such as pattern matching, string searching, data validation, and text manipulation. In real time, we will be using these regular expressions. Whenever you open a document in Excel or in Word, if you want to search a particular word, then you just give Control F. So whatever the word you have given, it will go and get all that, where the word is, all the search of the word. So here we are using regular expressions, that is string searching. And if you give some pattern, and we can check whether this pattern matching is there or not in the string. There also we use regular expressions. In data validation, you will be filling some registration form or a login form. You may be entering some email ID and phone number and password. So if you take the phone number it has like some pattern. It should contain 10 digits. If you don't give the 10 digits, it won't accept that phone number. So some pattern will be there for all this email or password or phone number. So here also we will be using the regular expressions. And text manipulation. If you want to change some text in the data, and if you want to replace the text with some other word, then with regular expressions, even you can do this text manipulation. So these are some of the applications of regular expressions, which we will be using in our real time. Regular expression is written in a formal language. So it has certain language and it has certain methods and it has certain characters. So you have to use that formal language in order to perform this regular expressions. So internally, you have some regular expression processor. So whatever you have written this regular expression, it will be processed by this regular expression processor. In Python, you have the built-in module called RE, where you can use this module in order to execute this regular expressions. Python raw strings or string literals prefixed with a small r or capital R. For example, if you want to write that hello is a raw string, you can prefix this string with a small r or capital R. Other few applications where we use these regular expressions are natural language processing, and whenever you are pre-processing the data, you use regular expressions. In rule-based information mining systems, you use these regular expressions. Text feature engineering, you use these regular expressions. Web scraping and data extraction, etc. Now you know like where the regular expressions are used, and we'll see now what are the regular expressions. It is defined as a formal language. So what are the regular expressions we can use so that we can perform certain tasks like string searching, pattern matching, text manipulation, data validation. So all that in order to perform this task, we have to use the regular expression. Now we'll see actually what are the regular expressions we can use in order to perform all these tasks. So these are the few meta characters which are regular expressions, and each expression has certain meaning. If you can use all these regular expressions and you can perform tasks or whatever you want. But whenever you use these regular expressions, each regular expression has certain meaning, and based on our requirement, we can use these regular expressions. If you see here, this is the cap symbol. If you give in any pattern this cap symbol, it matches the beginning of a line. if you give any pattern, before the pattern, if you give this symbol, meaning of that is, if that pattern should be at the beginning of the line, then only you will get that match. If that pattern is not at the beginning of the line, you get, it doesn't match that pattern. Dollar. Dollar is, it matches the end of the line. Dot, any character. Star, repeats a character 0 or more times. Plus, repeats a character 1 or more times. Question mark, repeats a character 0 or 1 time. And also you have special sequences. These special sequences, always it will follow with a backslash and a single character. So if you take /A, it returns a match if the specified characters are at the beginning of the string. So in any pattern, if you give the some pattern and before that you give /A, meaning of that is, if that pattern is at the beginning of the string, then there it will give a match. Otherwise, it will return empty string. /B, it returns a match if this pattern is at the beginning or end of the word. /B returns a match if the specified characters are present but not at the beginning or at the end of the word. /D, small d, returns a match if the string contains digits. So whenever in your string, if there are digits, if you write the pattern with this /D, this regular expression, if you use this regular expression, it will give all the digits which are present in the string. /D is opposite of /small d and returns a match where string does not contain digits. It returns only the characters and not the digits. /S is for white space character. /S does not contain white space character. It will return a match. /W is, it returns any word characters. And /W, it does not contain any word characters. It will return a match. /Z returns a match if the specified characters are at the end of the string. So these are some of the special sequences which you use a regular expression. And next we have the set. It is a set of characters inside a pair of square brackets with a special meaning. So all these regular expressions are enclosed in the square brackets and inside you have certain pattern. So based on this, it will function. So if you have in square brackets A, R, N, the meaning is whatever the characters, whether it can be A or whether it can be R or N or B or C or D, any characters you give inside, any of the specified characters is present in the string, then it returns a match. A-N means it takes the range of this from A to N. If any of the characters, small letters are present in your string, it returns a match. ARN is opposite of this ARN. And except ARN, other characters, if that is present in the string, it returns a match. In the square brackets, if you use 0, 1, 2, 3, if 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 is present in your string, then it returns a match. 0 to 9 is, it returns a match if there are numbers, digits are there in between 0 to 9. 0 to 5 and 0 to 9 is like a two-dimensional. It returns a two-digit numbers from 00 to 59. A to Z, capital A to Z returns a match if there are small letters or capital letters in your string. Plus, so plus means it returns a match for any plus character in the string. Like flower brackets, if you give N, it matches exactly N occurrences of the preceding pattern. If you give N comma some space, matches N or more occurrences of the preceding pattern. So these are some of the regular expressions you have to use so that in order to perform any task like pattern matching, string searching. So you have to use these regular expressions. So in these regular expressions, you have certain functions. So these are the few functions we use in regular expressions. In these regular expressions, in these functions, we use the regular expressions in order to perform tasks. So one is find all, search, split, and sub. So these are the four methods we use in regular expressions. First, find all returns a list containing all matches. Syntax is re.findAll, and it will find all the pattern which is present in the string. Search returns a match object if there is any match anywhere in the string. re.search pattern string. So it will search the pattern in the string. Find all and search does the same work, but only difference is Find all will return all the matches. How many matches are there? Pattern matches, matching is there. It will return all the matches. Whereas the search function, it will return only the first match. That is the difference. Split, it will return the list where the string has been split at each match. So wherever there is a split, that all that split pattern will be returned as a list. And substitution, replacement and substitution. If you want to substitute one word with the other word, it will substitute this. So this find all function returns a list containing all matches. List contain the matches in the order they are found. So it will always return the match in the order. If no matches are found, an empty list is returned. So here we have certain, all these meta characters, whatever we have done. Now we'll go to this Jupyter notebook and we will see whatever we have seen are different meta characters, special sequences, and also we have the sets, right? So we'll see practically. So we'll see all the meta characters, special sequences, and sets. How do we use in this in the regular expressions? All the regular expressions in the find all method. So whenever you use these regular expressions, we have some RE module, regular expression module, and we have to import this module. And using this RE module, we can call all the methods. So here, if we, this is a first program is check if there is any word that ends with EST. So any word, we have given the string here, raw string. Anarkali Vidya is the largest analytics community of India. So in this string, we'll check whether any word contains ends with EST. So that is our regular expression. So declare one variable x is equal to re.findAll, and in this we give a pattern called EST, and we are checking giving the /b, a regular expression, and check whether this any word ends with EST or not. So if you run, yes, if there is a match, it returns this pattern EST. Since in the largest, this word ends with EST, so there is a match, so it will return the pattern. This /b is also used for the check whether the any word starts with the beginning. So if you give /b at the beginning, and if you give EST, when you run this, you get an empty string because in no word starts with the EST. If I give VID, since Vidya starts with VID, and if I give this and if I run this, yes, there is a match. So if the pattern is returned. So /b, this regular expression is used to find whether any word is present at the end of the string or at the beginning of the string. Next, one more pattern. String is equal to 2 million monthly visits in Jan 19. So this is the string I have taken. Now I am using the regular expression /d. So meaning of this /d means wherever you have digits in your regular string, that will be matched. So here in my string, I have the digits called 2 and 19. So when I execute this 219 will get executed. So here, if you don't want this 19 separately like 1 and 9, if you want 19 at a place, you can just give /d plus. So if you give /d plus, it will take a number at a, what is the number you have here? So it will give as a 19, not 1 and 9 separately. Next, same string, and if I use capital D, except the digits, whatever the characters you have here, that will get displayed. So this is the regular expression which gives the characters other than the digits. And next regular expression, if you want to give all this separately, you got here, right? MIL like that. So if you want to get like a word, so you can just give /d plus. Next, /w plus is a word character. It will give the characters from A to Z, digits and underscore, all these word characters. So whatever the word characters you have here, everything will be matched. This word character. Capital W is opposite of small w. Except the word characters and digits and underscore, whatever you have, any special characters you have, it will be matched. See, if you see here, you get this space and exclamatory marks, all that you got, except the digits and word characters. Next comes dot. Dot regular expression specifies any character. So I have taken the string Rohan and Rohit recently published a research paper. So if I am calling this find all with RO dot, so since there is, this is the pattern that should start with RO, and after the RO, we are using one dot. It means one character should be printed. So you have this RO here and H will be printed here. And one more RO pattern is there. After that, one character will get printed. And one more thing, one more expression, RO, we have given 3 dots, means after the RO, the 3 characters will be taken. So you got this Rohan and Rohit. Next, this is a cap symbol. Cap symbol starts with data. Whatever the pattern you give here, and if you give cap symbol, meaning of this is any pattern, if it starts with the beginning of the string, then it will match. So we have the data here in the beginning of the string, so the data gets matched. Next, star. Star is a regular expression where if we give this pattern like this, EAS star and ends with Y. So this is the expression pattern I have given. You have the string here. If it will check if the string contains EA, followed by 0 or more S characters and ending with Y. Star means 0 or more. It will check for 0 or more characters of the previous character. Here S is given, right? So it will check if there are 0 S or more number of S characters. Based on that, it will return a match. It will go here in the easy. You have EAS and next Y. So you have the 1S. So it will match. Here EAS. After S, you have again 2 S's. So more number of S characters are also matched. So you get this match. So EAY. If you observe here, you have EA and 0 number of S. So even if you have 0 or S characters also, it will match. So EAY gets matched. So EY doesn't match because you don't have the A here and A here is not there. So it doesn't match the pattern. So you don't get this as an output. That is, star means 0 or more characters of the preceding character. Next comes plus. So if you give the pattern like this, EAS plus Y, it will, the meaning of this is if the string contains EA followed by 1 or more S characters and ending with Y. Star is 0 or more characters, plus is 1 or more characters of S. So it will go here, it will check EAS is 1. So it will print easy. It will go next here, EA and more number of S. So even more S characters is matched. So it will print this. It goes here, EA, and you have 0 S here. There is no S here. But this plus doesn't take 0. It will start with 1, at least 1 S character. So it doesn't get matched. EAY doesn't match and EY doesn't match the pattern. Next question mark. EA followed by 0 or 1 S characters. Not more than. It can be either 0 or 1. So if you go here, easy, you have 1 S. So easy gets printed. Here EA, you have more number of S's. So it doesn't match. EAY. EAY means you have 0 S. So E0 also, if you have 0 S also, it matches. So EAY gets printed and EY doesn't match. This is about question mark. And you have one more regular expression. I gave the text is equal to rain in Hyderabad. If you want to, this set regular expression, which is enclosed in brackets, and we have given the range from A to M. So if you have characters in between A to M, any characters, small letters in this text, all that characters will get printed. It doesn't match the capital H, and it doesn't match if there is after M you have N in here. So N doesn't get matched here. Next, if one more regular expression, you can just give the word like this. So you can check whether this in word is present in this text. And if at all, if you have 2 times, here in is there, here in is there. So it will print 2 times. So find all will take how many occurrences are there in the text. All that occurrences it will display in the list. And one more regular expression is like if you give in the flower brackets, and if you give like this, the meaning of this is text is hello planet, and I'm calling the pattern like it should be the PL, and after the PL it should have exactly 3 characters. So if I run this, see after the PL you got ANE, exactly 3 characters. If I give 2, so after PL is common. You should have this pattern. After PL, exactly 2 characters should come. If we give like this 2, comma, space, meaning of this is 2 or more than 2. Run. So 2 and more than 2. So if you give planet like this. So these are the few regular expressions we have used in the find all method.